Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So if you follow my channel, you know that the 4th of July is my Super Bowl of lawn care. Well, this year I didn't make it. I waited too long to put a PGR down on my lawn. I went to take care of my grandson for a week, came back. I'd not watered the lawn good enough while I was gone. Temperatures over 100 degrees here in Georgia. It just was not a good looking lawn. So I caught up with the watering of the lawn, made sure that I had enough down, put a moisture manager on the lawn, and then I started taking care of it. And I knew that this week that I was going to be out of town again. I didn't cut this lawn for 6 days. 2 different type of PGRs, 2 different type of results that they give. So with that being said, I just got done with the cut, and we are due for a ton of rain here in Georgia over the next 24 hours, I guess. So I had to get this cut in. I cut it while the dew was still on the lawn and while it was wet. Now, if you have a rotary mower, you can't do that. Rotary mower spins and chops, and it will tear your lawn up and shred it and give it an ugly look. You'll get clogged all up and clumps in the yard. But a real mower, it slices like scissors, and so you can do it. Well, I ended up sending the grass clippings into the grass catcher. Normally, I like to send them back down into the lawn and let them break down and return the fertilizer and the other nutrients I put in the lawn into the soil, but I had to bag it this time. I took off 3 bags off of it. Now, this is right after the cut, and I will know the true look of this tomorrow, 24 hours later, and it'll show me if there were any scalp marks. There's not. Or if there were any areas that are low that I hit, anything like that. But this is what she looks like right now. Pretty damn good. Now, I do want to tell you this. We got rain coming in. Matter of fact, it was sprinkling a little bit while I was cutting the lawn. Then it stopped. But here it is. Now, I'm going to tell you something that I am noticing is, and I don't know if it picks up on this video, but I have some lighter striped areas, and those are not from the lawnmower and striping. I do not believe my T-Jet, my backpack battery sprayer, is distributing whatever I put in the tank out evenly, because I can see where I walk with that sprayer, and I do it in the mornings with dew on the lawn usually, and so I can tell where I would have walked, and it's a lighter color line, so that may be a little bronzing that's happening to the tips. But the average person driving by, they're not going to recognize that. The average person's going to say, man, that guy's yard looks pretty good. Okay, now let's go over here. Here's the putting green. You can't really tell the fringe. It's right here. Right now, you can't tell the different colors because there's no lighting out. I have been keeping the fringe at a different setting, and today I knocked it down a setting just to thicken it up and let it build back up. I do have an issue over here. I've got some dollar spot coming in, and I'm going to spray that in a minute with some fungicide. But everything else looks pretty good. I mean, all that, if you look back at some other videos, all that was some sand that it wasn't filling in, but it's taken off now. So that's it. That's all I got. So my tip is get on top of that PGR. Hey, look, your first application that you do with a PGR, do not go full label strength. Go half the dose. And then after that half dose, when you start to hit the rebound effect, you can go ahead and put the full dose down. But don't go all in thinking, man, I'm going to have my yard looking awesome. I'm going to put a full amount of PGR out the very first time, because you will burn your lawn. You'll put what's called a bronzing effect. Matter of fact, right now with my father-in-law, we'd already done 1 application, and I warned him the second application, we went full on it, and he's got that bronzing effect. My lawn had the bronzing effect for, I don't know, maybe a week, and then it kicks in, and it's got to have water. It's got to have water, okay? That's all I got for you, lawn fans. Bermuda Brian. Out.